Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be installing a Legend BaseAir floor in our Ford Transit. Let's get started. Okay, if you're looking for some installation instructions, Legend actually doesn't include them in the box. There's going to be a QR code on the side of the box. Scan that with your phone. It's going to bring you to their site where you can download the installation instructions for this floor. Of course, we're doing our best to follow that as well. But this is going to be a super simple install. All we have to do is really take it out of the box and unfold it, and we're going to be good to go. So we're going to go ahead and grab it out of the box right now. Now, there's a little bit of prep in the van that you may want to do. If you have your cargo rings, your D-rings, located near the floor on the walls, you may want to take those out. It makes it easier to unfold this floor onto the van. Another thing is we have our Legend wall liners already installed. Typically, you're going to install your floor first and then your wall liners. But because we already have them installed, not a big deal, we'll work around it. And then finally, if you're going to be installing the Legend wheel well covers like we do here, go ahead and put those in first because you want this floor to be over top of these flanges. Now the only thing you want to do is distinguish the front from the rear. The rear is going to usually have your wheel wells, so our wheel wells have a little bit, maybe a foot or so to the rear door, so that's going to be this area right here. So that's going to be the front versus the back. And then the underside of the floor is going to be this smooth surface, and the grippy surface is going to be on top. With the floor in place, go ahead and grab your thresholds for the doors, side door, rear door. We'll install these now. As you can see here, there is a cutout for access to your emergency tire drop down. I'm just gonna leave it in place. If I ever need it, just pop that baby out and be good to go. So as you can see, that's a super easy install of this floor. It's a nice solid floor. One-piece design from front to back, so if you spill anything, it's not going to seep through other than on the edges. Not going to trip over transitions or anything like that. You can see we do have a little bit of a crease mark at the locations where it folded, but not anything you're going to trip over or run into or anything like that. Still a grippy surface, so an excellent floor here from Legend. Now that just about does it for the install. If you're interested in this floor or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, we've got what you need at UpfitSupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.